So good morning guys, it's first day here in Seminyak, Bali. We had a brilliant night's sleep. Check the size of that bed. That's like the comfiest bed we've had in months. And we were late last night, as you probably remember. And yeah, it was pitch black, so we didn't actually get to see the place fully. And apparently we booked this place thinking it was a private villa. And we were testing all the doors, having a look around last night, and we woke up a very disgruntled lady. So it's not a private villa, but we've got all this place with one other person in here. Just gonna get packed up and head out and find some breakfast. $190. 15 for 300, yeah. That's better. Yeah, so that's $30 for a SIM card. No. SIM cards, how much for 9 gig?
300.
300, okay. Okay, so we just walked from our Airbnb all the way down what's probably the main strip in Seminyak, takes you directly to the beach, and it is expensive. Like, you know, they're not joking, you're talking about $10 for breakfast. We're walking along the beach now, everything's still $5 or $6. We're going to keep walking, try and get out of the tourist areas. Yeah, like, everywhere we go, everyone's burning incense, obviously giving worship and giving offerings, and it smells amazing everywhere you go. It's like a proper lavender incense you've got, and yeah, it smells really nice. Alright, so we finally found a place, literally walked along the beach for about 15 minutes and then back up the other side, one block over, and it's a quarter of the price. We're talking $1.70 for scrambled egg on toast. It's Australian dollars, so it's about £1 for scrambled egg on toast. So yeah, breakfast was quite good, so it was quite a small portion, but I guess it's anywhere in the world you get what you pay for.
It actually felt good.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
And we were so hungry.
And the important thing is it shows that even in Seminyak, if you just head one block over away from the high street, it's so cheap. Like even the bintangs here, it was about 39,000 for a bintang, which is about $3.90 in Australian dollars. And I think you can get even cheaper than that, but that's not too bad. Has it got prices on them now? It's not got prices on them now. Yeah, please, Jim. Well, when we come back to Bali before we go back to Australia. Look at you. They're like old ones. Yeah, you won't buy these ones. John Lennon. Did you follow her, mate?
Hello?
Hiya. Do you sell SIM? How much for a SIM card?
How many gig you want?
10.
10? Yeah. VIP 9. And then 15. And then 8, maybe?
Oh, 15 maybe.
And do you get signal on all of Bali?
Yeah,
It's Seminyak or all
yeah,
over?
all about this, all Indonesia.
No, we need big data. How much for this one then?
50 more, 25.
25.
That's for you.
We'll be back. We need to go and get. We'll be back. We need to get cash. Okay. I don't know if I want to rush into that anyway. How much was it? How much was it for the other one? Because it was 30, wasn't it? It was 30. 300,000, so at 300. There's $30 for the other one in the other shop, wasn't it? We're gonna have a look. Keep that one in mind then.
Hey, how are you? Apa kabar?
Apa kabar?
Apa kabar? I say, apa kabar? Bagus.
Nice.
Means good. You ask me apa kabar, I say bagus.
Bagus.
How are you?
Oh, bagus.
Good.
Yeah.
That's it.
Hey. My name's Campbell.
Hey,
Campbell.
Camel, Sylvester.
Sylvester, pleased to meet you.
Camel and Gemma. Are you stay around here?
Close. It's maybe 10-minute walk. Yeah.
10-minute walk around here.
Yeah. Okay. Terima kasih.
Cheers.
Enjoy your day.
Sampai jumpa lagi.
Eventually we found SIM cards worth 200,000 rupiah for 15 gigabytes of data. The guy even helps you set it up and everything. He puts it into your phone and gets you all going. We highly recommend walking just off the strip, and you can find these deals pretty much anywhere.
Okay, thank you very much.
Perfect, thank you.
Have a good
Cheers,
day.
you too, thank you. So something I've come to realise here in Bali is they've got these temples that you see on Instagram. They're all over Instagram. You've got the fancy gates and all that. Well, they're absolutely everywhere. We've got them on entrances all over Seminyak down to the beach. And then the really fancy one's actually an entrance to a golf resort. So that shows you the kind of architecture that Bali actually has. Fried rice, vegetarian fried rice, 50. What's in it?
One of the tastiest things that I've eaten. I don't know. Carrots, peppers, chilli.
Mixed veg.
Mixed veg. So good.
For only 560, was it? 490. It's 490. 49. So $4.90. So we just had lunch, it was delicious, had a proper big rice meal. We treated ourselves a little bit because we were starving. We have eaten like no food in the past 12 hours, so we couldn't walk any
We're
further.
still trying to scope out where the cheap places are.
Yeah.
I'm thinking Seminyak is possibly not going to
It
be
wasn't
the cheapest places.
bad. I mean,
Yeah,
it was.
it's not bad.
It worked out 16 Australian dollars. We thought it was going to be 14, but we forget you need to add 10% tax to like everywhere. So you see somewhere and think that's really cheap, but you need to add 10% to that. Yeah, it is. So we just came back. We're back in our house. We're going to chill out for the rest of the night and then head out for dinner. Did a wee shopping run to stock up for the rest of the week, and it was very, very cheap. We got 8 packets of just ramen noodles because we're going off on a tour tomorrow, which we'll tell you more about later.
We also
That's going to do us all week.
a few dinners included, a couple of breakfasts included.
Yeah.
But you know, we're seeing it's through the tour we're seeing in hotels. We believe maybe these might be a little bit out of our
overly
budget.
expensive,
Yeah.
So we're
we
thinking
decided to stock up on.
we'll scan a couple of these,
Yeah.
and then if we're still hungry, we'll go down and it's half a dinner, and then it's half the cost. They're like,
They were 37 cents or something.
yeah, so it's 3,700 rupiah. All of this, we've got 2 breakfast biscuits, bag of crisps, Coca-Cola, and 4 days worth of ramen for $7.50 Australian dollars.
Oh wait, you forgot. We also
And
snacked
that's the most important part, packet of Oreos.
which were like 70 cents.
Yeah, fantastic. We are heading back out for dinner now, and it feels like it could rain. Just constantly around here, it just feels like it's going to dump something on you because it's so humid. We washed a bunch of stuff earlier, and it's still not dry because our room's so humid as well. But fingers crossed we can go and catch the sunset before the skies open. tortilla breads and hummus to share with a $10 pizza and 2 free bintangs. And you can see the tortilla breads and the hummus are a winning combination.
This is like a, you know, it's hummus with some sort of spice. It's almost like a curry spice.
Yeah, it's got a good spice in it, yeah. Like a slight amount, like the tiniest amount. And also it's hot, so there's a bit of flavour in it. I mean, again, the hummus was $3, $3 Australian dollars, but you get $3 Australian dollars worth of hummus. So, like, the pizza and the beers were really good value.
Yeah, $10 for a pizza and a beer.
Not bad.
Fucking down.
She's just got tits at you. Imagine that on my trainers. Oh, soaking. Maybe to test the waterproofness.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line.
I know. I hope I got that alright.